So why men's work? Men's work is really about shifting the way men find support in their life. So what I've noticed in a lot of my relationships before I really became involved in men's work was that I would often need to lean on my partners emotionally and otherwise, energetically, etc. Why? Because I didn't have a band of brothers that I was going out hunting with collectively. I didn't have all my elders, my uncles, my fathers, my grandfathers. Very often it's just me, my partner, in a house, living our daily life, trying to get things done, trying to make ends meet. So what I found is that instead of my partner just being my partner and being able to relate to her in the ways that I would want to, I would often be leaning on her in ways that felt unnatural and sometimes put like undue burden on the relationship, which then impacted the dynamics, impacted the joy in our relationship, and sometimes led to a breakup. So for me, men's work is very much about shifting that idea of where men get their support. And when we're able to lean on our brothers, when we're able to support each other in circles and gatherings of men, we're able to show up in a whole new way for our partners. And for me, that's one of the best parts about doing men's work. So it's about living our best life, it's about showing up in the way that we want to, and it's about being aligned with our principles, with our integrity, and on mission.